Hi everyone, let's see how to close an option in Robinhood. Closing an option contract, also known as selling to close, means you're buying back a previously purchased option for calls or selling back an option you sold for puts. Here's how to do it in Robinhood. Just follow these steps along and you will be easily ready to close an option. So access your option contract, open the Robinhood app and navigate to your portfolio, locate the specific option contract you want to close, tap on it to view the details. After that, look for the sell button. Tapping this will bring up the order window. Then you have to select to close. Within the order type option, choose select to close. This instructs Robinhood that you want to buy back your call option or sell back your put option. 4. Specify the quantity. Enter the number of option contacts you want to close. 5. You just have to review and confirm. So make sure to double check the order details, including the quantity, price if using a limit order, and total amount. Once everything is accurate, confirm the sale. That's basically it. Very straightforward, very simple. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.